Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a basic password login program. This is very simple and especially for beginners, and it's a fun program to get started with. So let's start, shall we? So I'm going to create a scalar variable called password. Might actually zoom in a little bit more on that password. Okay, so I'm going to assign password here to password 123. Strongest password in the world, that. Okay, so we're going to create a function, and this is going to be called login site. Okay. I'm going to create my scalar pass variable, and we're going to assign that to prompt because we're going to use it to get some user input. And then we tell the user what we want them to do. Enter password. Okay, so that's what we want our user to do in this. And then we're going to use a conditional statement starting with if. So if the scalar pass here is NE not equal to scalar password, which we created above here. So if what's entered is not equal to that password there, we're going to do something. We're going to print out a message using say. Incorrect password. Or else. So the else here is the catch-all statement. Well, actually it's not here, it's not the catch-all. So if the password is incorrect, so it prints out incorrect, or else if it's not incorrect, we're going to, let's just take this up here. We're going to print something out to the user. We're going to tell them password correct. Okay. All we have to do now is to call that program by its name, login site. Okay, let's just save it there. I'll give it a quick scan, hopefully there's no problems with it. Okay. And to run it, we type in Raku at the terminal and the name of the program, which is new.raku. Hit enter, and it prompts us for a password, which is here. So I'm going to give it the wrong password. Incorrect password. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, let's give it the right password this time. Hit enter. Password. Oh, I spelled password wrong, didn't I? There we go. Let's try it again. Raku, new.raku. Okay, let's try it this time. 1, 2, 3. Password is correct. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.